What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back or welcome to another video. Share this world. If you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button, turn your post notifications on. What are you doing? Well, yeah, hit that like button, comment such a nice thing, comment section down below. Now let's get straight into this video. So I'm going to be doing a prepare with me for Christmas. So it's kind of like my appointments. It's like an appointments video, but I'm doing everything myself. Doing my hair, my nails, my toes, doing my eyebrows. I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows. Yeah, all by myself, doing it myself. I was gonna go. So I think I am. I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows. If it don't come out like do it right, then we're gonna go to a professional and get them done. I was planning to do that anyway, but I just wanted to see if I could do it. It shouldn't be that hard. Watch a YouTube video, try it, attempt it, then learn from your mistakes and go forward with that. But yeah, I'm going through. Y'all are gonna be coming with me through that this whole process. Go ahead and go to the door. Then with the I need a freaking cloth.
I cut down the food, girl, I can't wait till I get home. Fuck the shit out of you. Even though your worst days, girl, you still kinda cute. If it go down, I'm gon' protect you. Pull that stick out and shoot. All I want is your love, can't see no bitch after you. Off emotions, we did things that we didn't have to do. Better you leaving, I told lies when you asked for the truth. I second guess if you the one, it's when I did have a clue. Envy Martin and Gina, but we ain't think about behind the scenes. The way I kill it, lose her voice when she trying to scream. We from the trenches, we moved on to the finer things. Now you don't went from H&M to a designer fiend. He was playing games, got you dancing in the middle of the club. Got you dancing in the middle of the club. I know what you chasing, you can only get this feeling from a thug. You can only get this feeling from a thug. Tears falling and it's licking in your cup. All you really want is love. Baby, all you really want is love. Only talk to bosses, independent, can't be fucking with a scrub. Girl, I know you can't be fucking with a scrub. I get this feeling in my stomach when you next to me. Man, I'm trying to get to know you sexually. Take you on shopping for therapy. Pull you out to Cali and my max is taking care of me. I know sometimes I'm crazy, I was hoping you could bear me. Beauty and the beast, pretty girl with a gangsta. I swear you still the baddest in the room with no makeup. You the type of woman every hood nigga pray for. I gotta stay 100, never change. In that sundress, damn, your body so amazing. Love the way you smell, I'm addicted to your fragrance. It's something about you, but I really can't explain it. Just know that you mine, I tell a nigga he can save it. He was playing games, got you dancing in the middle of the club. Got you dancing in the middle of the club. I know what you chasing, you can only get this feeling from a thug. You can only get this feeling from a thug. Tears falling and it's licking in your cup. All you really want is love. Baby, all you really want is love. Only talk to bosses, independent, can't be fucking with a scrub. Girl, I know you can't be fucking with a scrub. I cut down the food, girl, I can't wait till I get home. Fuck the shit out of you. Even though your worst days, girl, you still kinda cute. If it go down, I'm gon' protect you. Pull that stick out and shoot. All I want is your love, can't see no bitch after you. Off emotions, we did things that we didn't have to do. Better you leaving, I told lies when you asked for the truth. I second guess if you the one, it's when I did have a clue. Envy Martin and Gina, but we ain't think about behind the scenes. The way I kill it, lose her voice when she trying to scream. We from the trenches, we moved on to the finer things. Now you don't went from H&M to a designer fiend. He was playing games, got you dancing in the middle of the club. Got you.
That was painful. It was not easy as I thought it was gonna be, but they look better. Look, I can tell that I did a better job. Oh, my camera lighting is very bad in certain areas, but I think I did very good on my for my second time trying to do my eyebrows. You guys, I don't even know what type of nails I want to do for Christmas. I just sat there and thought about that. I'm about to go on Pinterest and find some. But I'm about to do my toes, and I was trying to figure out what color I want to do. I have this like new brown color, which is, I just had to sample it on my thumb, which is very pretty. Then I have like white, like I like a white tail. I like white toes. I like to paint my nails white. But this brown color is pretty too, and I think I'm going to do this brown color depending on whatever I do to my nails. So let me find some nail designs on Pinterest, because I'm still on Pinterest. So I have an idea of what I want, and something like this, if I could get it to focus. It's not focusing. What kind it is, but it's white, red, white, glitter, and red. Or these, kind of the same, but they're just red. Oh my gosh, it's just red. Design nail, red, and design has like sparkles on it. Then I'm gonna go with more of this style, and this kind of not that short, but this style and a little bit longer, like medium short. These no, those are ugly. Okay.
Step out, get some air now, let your eggs out, put some ice, book, you'll be heavy in my mind, can you get the heck out, I need rest now, got me bummed out, you baby, I've been on my empty mind, shit, I should've kept from losing the best in me, I worry that I wasted the best of me. It's just urgent. Trying to make sense of little change. Got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight. Can't keep what's holding me. Choose the right, but it will pick up in front of me. All the while, I wave my arm and feel it a smile. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside.
So you guys, my toes are done. You really can't see them because it's like the brown new color, but they're done. So I'm about to film my hair video, and see, I got everything set up. It's not on yet, but I got everything set up to film that video, and then there's going to be clips in this one as well, me doing my hair. And I'm making a TikTok on my hair page. If you want to go check that out, I'll link it in the description down below. It's not my regular TikTok page, it's a hair page for me. I haven't been posting on there for a while, but I've just now started to get active, so go follow or do whatever you want to with that information that I gave you. But I'm about to start filming, so yeah. This is like kind of behind the scenes. What's good, YouTube? What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good, YouTube? Welcome back, or welcome to another video of Shayla's World. I'm blow drying my hair so I can get slick. All I'm gonna say is go watch that video whenever it comes out, or if it has came out, to see how terrible my hair was. Just not cooperating, or it was just I just didn't know what I was really doing. This is what all I'm gonna show y'all. I put it in a bun, yes I did, so I can go to sleep. And I wrapped it up because I'm so tired of my hair. I'm cleaning up now the mess. Everything I touch is sticky, so I have to clean my tripod out because I've been touching this. It's sticky. My phone is blurry. I did make the TikTok video, so you can go check it out. I'll link my hair TikTok in the description box down below. And I will see y'all tomorrow when I go to do my nails, because I'm very excited about doing those. I was excited about doing my hair because I thought it was going to come out I was thinking about a long, extended, not very long, but like going down to right here, or like right here, right there at my like brow strap. I wanted to braid it back long. I did. I thought I was going to be able to do it, and I wanted it to be high. I didn't want a low because I didn't really care for the low. That means you can see more of my hair when it frizzes up. I was going to do a high ponytail, and I thought it was going to come out cute. I thought I was going to know how to do it. It wasn't going to be that hard. I thought wrong. This attempt to do a high braided ponytail failed. But it might be growing on me. It kind of looks cute in this little bun thingy that I put up. I'll show y'all tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm going to do my nails. Look at these crusty, dusty things. I'm glad my hands are like filled with gel and stuff. I need to go wash them. So I will see y'all tomorrow. I finished my nails, and this is what they look like. It's got a glitter on them. Yeah, I think they're cute. Very cute. So I'm about to put this face mask on my face. I've used it before. You know which one it is. The Aztec Indian Healing Clay Mask. So my face is no masks on my face now, so it's very good. My face is very dry because I just washed my face and stuff. So now I'm about to put the product. My nighttime routine. Whoa. Let's just sit y'all right here. Point y'all up because I can't sit y'all right there. I'm going to put my face cream on. All I'm going to do is put my night moisturizer on in this dermatologist product. If you want to know what it really is, go watch one of my skincare videos. I have two. I have a winter skincare video and then my everyday skincare video for like the summertime. Both of them will be linked up in the icons above. Go click on one and go find out what this product is. Because I'm definitely not going to tell y'all in this video. Go watch my other videos. I'm so ready to go to bed, yo. Y'all know I be filming at late. All these videos this week have been filmed at late because once I get home after school, it'll be like 3:15. I don't start the video till 4:30 or whatever I'm gonna do. It's 9 o'clock right now. I don't plan to film this late, but it just happens sometimes. Well, I'm about to go edit this video so I can get it up to y'all. If I can. If my laptop stops acting slow. So you guys, it's the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I really like this video, like my maintenance vlog video. I really don't do a lot of stuff like this. But yeah, this is Vlogmas Day. It should be Vlogmas Day 20, let me say that. Or Vlogmas Day 21. But hope you enjoyed today's video. And I will see y'all. We got a couple of more days till Christmas. And then I'm ending Vlogmas on the 25th. Because you end Vlogmas on the 25th, not the 31st. I don't think you did. But this is my hair. I made it a little longer. As y'all can see. It looks better. It looks very much better. My edges and stuff. My nails still look good. Hold on, let me flip the camera around. My nails still look good. My toes still look good. So yeah, maintenance vlog. Oh, I did do my eyebrows. They look very good. They look good. And now I put some lashes on, you know. Had to go take a picture real quick for my thumbnail. And look how I took my picture. I'm dressing from the top and still got shorts on. So this is the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you haven't already, subscribe. What are you doing? Why you hit that like button, comment some nice and comment section down below. And I will see y'all in my next video.